Potassium fertilizers. For most crops, potassium can be supplied as muriate of potash. But in crops like tobacco and potato, muriate of potash may cause chloride injury, reducing quality of the produce. In such cases, potassium may be applied as potassium sulphate. Management of potassium fertilizers. In coarse textured soils and in heavy rainfall regions, potassium fertilizers should be applied in as many splits as possible to reduce loss of potassium. In fine textured soils, the entire dose of potassium fertilizers may be applied as basal. In acid soils, potassium fertilizers should be applied only after lime application to prevent loss of potassium by leaching. Lime. Acid soils are characterized by high saturation of the exchange complex with hydrogen and aluminium. Crops grown in such soils suffer due to unavailability of most plant nutrients, especially calcium. Application of liming materials increases the availability of nutrients and alleviates calcium deficiency. Liming materials. Burnt lime, slaked lime, powdered limestone, and dolomite are some of the materials used as sources of calcium. Management. In acidic submerged soils, flooding brings about rise in soil pH and hence response to lime is less marked. Legumes are benefited most by liming. For better results, liming materials should be incorporated into the soil. For seasonal crops and in situations where immediate results are required, burnt lime or slaked lime may be used. For perennial crops, powdered limestone or dolomite is sufficient. Extreme care should be taken while broadcasting burnt lime and slaked lime as they can cause scorching of leaves. In case of wetland rice, drain the field prior to lime application and reflood after 24 hours. Flushing the soil by sequential flooding and draining will help to wash out the displaced acid from the soil. In extreme case of calcium deficiency, a 1% solution of calcium chloride may be applied by foliar spraying. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Fibia Johnson.